I feel like sleeping. I just wake up, Jen. I just get up. Ah, wow. Here too early raining here. Too early. So you live in countryside, Jan? Hi, Vital Videos Official. Oh, your last night, huh? Thank you. Welcome back to my live. Thank you so much. Yeah, I remember you last night. I remember you last night. You went to my lab last night, right? Thank you so much. Ah, yes. In the Philippines, Jan, we live in other side of the town. So when we go to town, it takes an hour. Saan ako nakatira? I'm originally from Philippines, but I live here in Down Under. Down Under. Are you going out now, baby? I'm going out too in a minute. About 20 to 30 minutes one way to the bigger town. Sino yung nasa picture sa likod mo? Asawa ko. They said, sino yung picture sa likod ko? Huh? They asking me who's that picture beside behind me. I said my husband. Hi Sam, hi Samantha. So I go to other room. Is that noisy here? I go to other room. Hi Sam, thank you so much. So, transfer to other room. Oh, thank you so much for the like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Oh, Jan, did you know my watch hour? It's almost there. I almost